If you're thinking of buying a home or moving, let's say you own a home now and you haven't looked at the home loan application or process for some time, I'm here to kind of walk you through that. As a loan officer, I wanted to give you some information about some of the processes that we're going to go through and some of the things that we're going to look at for you, especially if you're a first-time home buyer, so you've come to the right place. Generally, there's 3 components of the loan that we want to discuss with you. And first is about employment and income. Are you employed? How long you've been employed in the same line of work? Have you had any gaps in employment? That's okay if you don't have a job. Maybe you're self-employed, or let's say you're on a fixed income Social Security pension. All of those will work also. So we're going to have some conversation about your employment and your income. The second part is we're going to definitely want to talk about your credit. What do you think your credit score is? Have you looked at your credit lately? We are going to run a credit report. We do need to run a credit report in order to make a qualified decision for you. Your credit score is a very big factor in determining which loan program type that we're actually going to look at for you. There are several credit items that may come up on the credit report. Lots of inquiries, collections, judgments. Some people have them, some people don't. So we definitely want to take a look at the credit. A lot of times our customers will say, well, my credit score is 725 according to Credit Karma. Those are good gauges also, but we want to run a credit report with the 3 credit bureaus, and that's going to give us the best credit scores to use. So we'll want to use your credit and take a look at your credit, but also keep in mind, some people don't have 3 credit scores, and that's okay too. You could get away with 1. Each loan program is going to look at the credit differently. So we're going to take a look at how your financial assessment works with each loan program. And then lastly, we want to see if you have any money saved. Do you have money in a checking or savings account that you've saved, or have funds available for down payment and closing costs? I think one of the things that I run into the most with home buyers is they don't really know or understand the realization that there is a down payment for the most part, and there are closing costs. The closing costs come from the lender, the title company, and then funds that we're going to set aside to pay the taxes and insurance. And those are all the things that we're going to discuss with you, whether you're a first-time buyer that's moving up or moving down, or if you owned property before. Those costs will definitely be there, and we want to show you where they're coming from, why they're there, and how they come into play with your loan program. So we're going to put those together, your employment, your credit, and your assets, checking, savings, money market, brokerage accounts. And then we're going to look at the overall picture and see what you qualify for. We're going to take into consideration the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance when we're determining you're qualifying. We're going to look at loan program, down payment options, see if you have down payment assistance options as a first-time home buyer. What kind of credits can we possibly get from the seller? There are so many things involved in determining really what you qualify for. So we want to make sure that you always reach out to me as a loan officer to answer any questions about the home buying process, where the interest rates are coming from. What are closing costs and why do we have them? Are there prepayment penalties? Why am I getting this program while my neighbor got the next program? All kinds of options. Make sure you reach out to me as a home buyer. I definitely want to make sure you get the correct assistance. Remember, don't think twice about asking Kathryn for home loan advice. Have a great day.